If you like this video, make sure to visit our Vimeo page and follow us to get the latest update.
So today we will see that UI basically. In UI, like what we are doing. Yesterday we created, we have seen that how to create the custom this one, like UI application and all, how to do the things and all we have seen. So today also similarly we will see. Okay. So before that, let me just stop sharing. Okay, so basically we have to, when we are going to create our custom UI and all, so what should we do? Okay, so we will go to MDG IMG, because when we do custom thing, then we understand many things. Okay, like how the basic structures and all, how it has been done. Then we will go to for custom things, we need to create our data model, right? Because sorry, let me do just yesterday we have created one data model. Okay, let me create another one. So that you will be thorough with the process that we are doing. Okay, so Z1 is already there. So we yesterday created Z2. Okay, similarly, let us copy this and let's see, it is Z3. Okay, copy all. Okay, I hope this will work, because I never copied anything in data model. I just used it, but I suppose that everything will work as expected. This is activated, right? Let me just see. So MDG.
Okay, so Krishna, okay, so what purpose? Okay, we have created a new data model. This is for the UI, our okay, to check.
Yeah, just to show how this UI will with new data model. How will you work with the UI?
Okay,
Okay,
okay. Okay.
does not active. Okay, does not active. Why it is not active? Team then we have relationships, right? These are the relationship already has come. Save first. Okay, I have to save it first. Save. Okay, and then I think I have to now activate it. Let's see. So see, today's class will be a little bit longer class, because more information I will be providing. So I will try to quickly navigate. Okay, try to concentrate in the class, because these things already I have yesterday's class I have already covered. Okay.
Okay.
It will take little time. Let it be activated. Before it gets activated, let me show you this Excel. So UIBP, whatever we are creating, right, in MDG, if we go in the general FPM process, then it would be tough for us to create, because we have to do lots of coding and all. I told you, right, FPM screens, how it has been created through codings and all, right? It is not a freestyle UIBP. Particular area, particular things will be coming. So like this, it has been designed. But in FPM, it is not the case, right? So FPM through coding, there should be particular place where the data means the UI, whatever is there, it would be there. But in WebDrill Pro, it was not there. It was a freestyle. Now, what SAP has done in case of WebDrill means MDG, they said no need to do lots of coding. Okay, you don't have to do lots of coding. You just use the standard classes. Like for list, this is the class. For form, this is the class. For search, this is the class. For UI result, this is the class. Okay, these are the UIBB classes. Okay, so it is called GUIBB. So these are the UIBB classes basically. With the help of this, when you do the configuration, automatically your UI will be created. No need to write additional codings and all and create your UI. Okay, so that could be achieved through this. So yesterday also we have created one. Now just see whether it is activated or not. Okay. Data model has been activated, right? Successfully generated also. Z3. Then we will attach it with a business object also. Okay, our data model. Step by step we will go and we will understand what we are doing in this. Today till 7:40, 8:40 it is okay, right? In my clock.
Yeah.
Okay. Today we will try to complete this session. Like we will be looking into search UIBB. You will be we will be looking into this one result UIBB, and then navigate to next page. How it will be done. So by doing so, we will cover lots of concepts. Okay. So just to go and include now, I think yes, now I can see my data model, right? So data model has been activated. Now I will go and create my business object. So define business object type code. Okay. So business object type code, right? That is why this name is OTC. So new entries. Let's say ZPO. Okay, business object UI class. Okay. BUSINE business OBJ substituted for UI. Okay. So this has been done. Now what I have to do, I have to attach it over there, right? So let me take it and let me first put it over here so that Z3 is our this one data model. It is our BO. Let me attach this one. Let me go and let me attach this one here. Edit data model. Always assign the BO to the root entity. Okay. So which is our root entity over here in Z3 attributes, sorry, not attributes. Z3 entity type. T Mara is our root entity because it is having the leading relationship. Now I will go to the business object type. Okay, it has already taken this one. Okay, but we don't need this one, right? So remove this because it took it from the last this one class. So let us save it, activate it. Okay, this should be activated. So we can see the activation now. We can see the activation that it has been activated.
Yeah.
Okay, let it be activated. Let me show like how to means what is the IMG path. MDG slash and MDG IMG slash and MDG IMG and then general settings. Then we will go to what process UI modeling. Okay. Okay, let it be. Then we have to go to UI modeling. In UI modeling, manage UI configuration. Okay, through manage UI configuration, you will be doing the UI modeling. So let me take it from here. and we will be working with Chrome. So let me put it over here. Okay.
So Krishna, this UI modeling for the Fiori and for the Dan Pro, right? Okay, both are same, right?
No, for the Fury, see, this is different, and for the Dyne Pro, it is different. Okay.
Okay.
Just for see, it is different. Your modeling is different for WebDyn Pro, and this is different for this one. Um, Now, currently, the situation in the market is UI5 or Fury. It is not yet popular with MDG. In the sense, people are not still using that. Okay, but coming days, say for example, in another 4 years or 5 years, you can see MDG with Fury surely, because industry is moving in that direction. Like if you remember how this has come, okay, like when the Fury has come initially, industry was not means ready for that. Okay, so gradually, step by step, first big companies were taken this UI5 Fury, then when it has been successful, then other companies are taking also, right? So similarly it is also there. I have seen so far, like companies like Boeing, companies like Robert Bosch, companies like what else is there.
But Krishna, in
um,
our company also, okay, we are using the Fiori, okay, so we are not using the Bev Dan Pro, right? So last 1 year we are using the Fiori for like VP, MM, and like account, okay, we are
got
going to
it.
use
And
the FI.
which is the client? Which client you are working for?
No, I'm not working for a client, okay, I'm working for my company,
Oh, your
okay.
company.
Yeah.
Okay, company. It's a product-based company, right?
Yes.
Yeah, product-based company. You can see they have basically like this only Fury screen only will be there. Okay, so see, screen wise, whatever I have seen so far, that Fury consultants basically do the changes and all in the Fury screens, but in the back end I will tell you how to use the APIs. Okay, how to use the APIs and how to basically work on it. Okay, because the governance process, what you will do, related to the workflow, related to the CR, related to the DRF, okay, search, everything will be done through this APIs and all. Getting the point?
But Krishna, as you're saying, like there's a separate Fiori consultant for this one. But in our company, okay, I don't see like there is only specific Fiori consultant. Okay, so all are working like
That is why I told, right? So far, whatever project I have seen that they have a Fury consultant, okay, who will be working on the UI, and backend consultant like MDG consultant, or say for example ABAP developer, whatever is there, who is responsible for the OData and all. So they will be working on the OData. But now the scenario is that who is the MDG consultant? He is also looking for the OData and all. This is the scenario.
okay. So you will like okay, so it's like okay, how means how it's work like okay, Fiori and how we activate the Fiori app and customize. Okay, same like we web Pro, right?
Fury app, no, it is not in our agenda. But yes, in Fury app, how to use the APIs and all that I will be telling you. Like in OData and all is there, right? Or maybe I can do one thing. Maybe I will try to activate one Fury app. Okay, and maybe I can show you how the coding is over there and how these APIs are there. Okay, that I can do. Like Fury chapter is there, right? One. So maybe in that I can just show you these apps are there, how the coding has been done with the these APIs, MDG APIs. Okay, so that one exercise maybe we can do.
Okay.
Getting the point? So
Oh,
can you just go on mute? I think background noise is coming. Okay. So see how it is done. So this USMD underscore OVP underscore Zen, it is a template provided by SAP. Okay. So earlier, whatever you have to do, you have to code it. Okay, so you have to means do application configuration, component configuration, then classes will be there. You will be writing the code in the classes and will be doing it. But here, basically, what you are doing, you are not going to like do all such coding, but you will use what you will use the basically the template, standard template provided. So this is the template. So we will click on this, and then what we will do, we will do copy. Okay. Here we will go to change fxs, then Z3. So you see this has come. Okay. So you will see three things. One is OVP gen template, one is OVP CBA, and then this one. Now we will do start deep copy. Deep copy, what it will do, it will take all the component from this. Copy means what? It will copy single object, but deep copy means it will copy the whole component only. Okay. Sorry, let us save into a local object. We can create our object means package and all, but for timing, let us put it over here. So this has been done. Now we can go to our this one, application configuration, and whatever like OTC we have created, business object code, we will attach it over there. Okay, so we will come here and we will provide it over here. Okay. So what is this? This is our business object code. This one. So we provide it over there, and then let us save this one. Okay, let us save this one. I think this much is clear. Okay, so I have saved it. Now I will go to the CBA. CBA, we will look into CBA in more details. Okay, so for time being now, just save this. Once we click save, this will be CBA will be activated for this object. Okay, CBA will be object means activated for this object. Now what will I do? I will go to the this OVP gen template. Okay, we have come here. Let me save this, and this has been saved. Now come to this template. Okay. Now we can see two things. One is what this area, what is navigation, and another one is this area. Okay. Let me take it little bit up here so that we will. Okay, so we can now see it properly, right? So basically, what is there here? So basically, we have this section. Okay, this is the main section, and this is the like UIB portion for that. Now let us add another one, initial page. In initial page, let me provide the page ID. Page ID, let's say in it. Okay, and the page title is see, search material, material material. Okay, search material. Now for the initial page, what I have to do? This is the main page, right? So I'm not talking about the main page. I'm talking about the initial page now. Okay. So if I click here, it will navigate me to the main page. Okay. Process object. This one. This is the main page. What is this process object with MDG? Now I will go to the initial page. What I will be doing in the initial page? 1 minute. Let me just come here. Search material. Okay. So first of all, this is for search, right? So I have to take what? I have to take the search UIPB. Okay. I have to take the search UIPB. If it is a result, I have to take the result UIPB. So for this, SAP has already provided things. We don't have to do anything. Just we have to go. We have to take our UIPB. So I will go here, and I will go here. I will go search. I have to check. 1 minute. Come here. Form component from repeater. Set form and from component. Carousel from.
No, it was down below. I just saw it.
We have seen it, right?
Yeah.
Once you can see, just let me know. Search.
No, it's not scrolling down actually. You have to click the down arrow. It's not scrolling down.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, search component.
Search component, right? Let us click on this. So this has been come, right? See here, we have the search component. So every component, whatever will be there, we have to provide what? We have to provide the component. What we have to provide?
Config ID.
Yes, config ID is important. Okay, without config ID, you can't go further. Okay, so let me provide Z USMD underscore Z3. Okay. Then SEARCH search underscore MARA. Okay, Mara. This is a config ID. Let me just copy this. Okay, this has already come. Okay. Title I have to provide for this. Okay, title is what? Title is SEARCH search MARA. Okay. See why this has come, because this does not have what it does not have. It does not have any configuration yet created. So I will go. I will create on configure UIPP. I will create on yes. Okay. Now you can see this one. Search UIBB for what? Mara. Okay, now we have to provide the feeder class. So with the help of this feeder class, automatically it will be providing us the CL, means screens and all. Okay, CL underscore MDG underscore GUIBB. For search, what was there? We have seen
I think it's search dequery.
dequery. Okay, so let us take list underscore dequery. Let me just put it directly over here. Okay, now okay. See, component and everything has come. So component will be what? ZSP. Okay, this, right? This will automatically come. Then we have to provide search this one. Let it open and let us see. It is taking little time. Let it open. So query tmara. Okay. So we will take the general search here, and this has come. Now what will I do? I will click on OK. Okay. So this has been created. Can you see?
Yeah.
This has been created automatically. Okay, no need to do anything, material, this, that. It has been created automatically for this one. And I think other functions, this I have done. Right, this has been done. Such UIV schema, this one. Let me just other function. Show properties help. Okay, no problem. Let us save it for time being. Okay, let us go back. One minute. Here it has been saved, right? Filter bar. Let's go to the template. So let us go to the template and then check once again. Okay. So far what we have done, we have taken this one. The search means UIBB. Now what we have to do? We have to do the result UIBB. Okay. So for result UIBB, where will I do this? I won't do here. I will do in the initial page, right? Here I will be doing. So again, what I have to do? What I have to do? I have to add another section. Sorry. Uh, this one is there. Overview page, page header, initial page. In initial page, let me see where is the option. This is for search. UIBB. Add section. So section 2 has been added, right? So under this section, sorry, 1 minute. Let me delete it. Okay. Under this, I think this should be created. Let me check. It will come here and it will come here. Section. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, then this one. Okay, this would be created here only. Okay, no problem. So we will see how it would be coming in the this one final outcome. Section 1 is there. Under section 1, if I create this one, okay, one section has been created, and under this section another UIBB I will be taking. Okay, so let me come here and let me provide it UIBB. Now it would be a list UIBB. Okay, result will come always in a list component. So list component I have taken over here. Now let us see how does it. So now what I have to provide? I have to provide this list UIBB also. How will it be? Okay. let me provide this one, ZUSMD underscore Z3. Z3 is for my data model. LP result underscore Mara. So it has come. Now let us provide the title for this. Search result. Okay, search result. Now configure UIBB. Yes. Okay, for result UIBB, okay, we have a class that we have to select. So what is the class for result UIBB? So this is, say for example, result UIBB. Okay, so this one, let us go here. Let us see. This is the class for result, right?
So the result will be in the main page, right? It will be in the main page.
No. It is the same page. I will tell you why.
Okay.
Class. That would be Z. This one is PZ3. Then component name we have to select QTMara. Okay. This is result is not editable, right? So let it be like this. And okay. Okay. So this has been done. Save this. Now let us go to template. Now other function test. Here is no test option, right? Okay, no problem. Component configuration. Component configuration, other function. View windows. This is my initial page, right? So this has been done. Configure UIBB. So here field USMD active is a technical field, and okay, USMD active. Okay.
Where can you see the
It's
full
a
message?
1 minute. Cannot be configured. Okay, active USMD active and cannot be configured. So I think this is the USMD active. Let me just check. This is the. Okay, maybe we will check what is the error it is showing. USMD active one. USMD active, I think the standard coming from this one. So USMD active, right? This one. 1 minute. Let me just click on this. Let me see. Into action this one.
The error message is not gone, right?
No, I can't see the error message, but I have to see from where it is coming. Okay, input field, because USMD active, it is showing that it is not configured. So I have to see from where it is coming, because these are the fields, right? Active, inactive. I think this one is there. Let me do one thing. Let me just I can remove it also. Delete. Okay, now let me save it. Now I think it is gone. Okay, we will see if it is coming also. Maybe we will see how to rectify it. So this has been done, right? So now go here, go to VPGen template. It has been saved. And now USMD, this one we will go. And we can see these two sections, right? Now I will go to the mains page, and main page I will use, say for example, in main page I will use a form UIPP. Okay. So other function deep copy. This is show properties new window. This one is there. Edit. Edit, then test. Let us test once. Differencing of a null reference server time. Why it is null? Let me see. /OST22 today. Since yesterday it is giving dump. I don't know why. Okay, CLMDG BS GUIBP result. Okay, CLMDG GUIBP result we have done. Okay, no problem. We will see why this is coming. Let us now, first of all, I think we have to do varying also. Then this will go. Let's just go to the initial page. This one, where schema. Varying means to pass the data from one UIBB to another UIBB. Basically, varying is done. Okay. So now just click on where, and then we have to provide the varying name also. Okay. So the result UIBB we have provided. There is no problem in that. So let me provide the component name and the configuration ID. Component name will be FPM search UIBB. So it would be FPM okay, And configuration ID, let's see. This will be which configuration ID?
For which one? For list or for search?
So it would be a search, because search will be going, right?
Yeah.
Search window, fill out all required fields. Okay, so what are the required fields here? I have to provide it over there. One minute. Connector class, yes, connector class we have to provide, otherwise it won't work. So we have to provide the connector class first, and then we have to provide, after connector class we have to provide the port and all we have to provide, and I have to check what is the port for this. So connector port type also I have to provide here. Port type will be, I think for this it would be collection or selection list. Okay, let us see in this what we have provided. From UI to list, this is the result, right? UI to list, basically we are providing. UI means search UI. Okay, search UI to search list. Getting the point? So for this class will be this one, identity. Sorry, control set. What is the class? This is the class on, right? PS. This is the class, and this is. Sorry, I have taken the wrong class, right? It would be this one. Let's provide this one, and port type, lead selection, port identifier will be standard. A connector. Okay, let me try to save it. I think class type this one, connector, right? Let me see. Does not exist. I think somewhere CLMDG BSUIVB. Let's see one minute. So it should, I think I have written it wrong one. CLFPM it will be okay. So class name I have provided wrong. CLFPM. It would be CLFPM connector bold identity. CLFPM connector. CLFPM connector bold identity. Let's see with this. It should be collection. I will correct it. Okay, maybe I think I have provided wrong this one. This should be standard. That I will correct. Now save it. Now try to test, and now let us see what is happening. Still it is coming as null, but I have provided varying and all. Let us go to the result UIBB and let us check once if we are missing something or not. This list UIBB ATS, okay. Component list window, SMT Mara visible. Why it should be coming as null? Let us go to the general settings. This we have already done, right? We have provided the classes and all. Then why it is coming like that? Show more. Okay. But this should not be the case. We should not get this done. It should be working. Okay. So maybe somewhere we are missing something, but I have provided everything. Why it is coming as dumb? Let us come here. Schema. Window. Okay. Automatic. Not styles. Let me go to this one and just check. General settings. Maybe I have to check this one why it is coming. Okay. I am not sure why it is coming because this is not the case. It always come properly only. Anywhere I am missing anything. Let me do one thing. Let me just delete this section and let me just see whether the search UIBB is coming properly or not. Maybe then based on that we can take and call that while doing the result UIBB we missed something, that is why it is giving problem. Now this has been done. Okay. Toolbar, varying, where schema, varying also let us delete and let us check. Now let us test. See, search UIBB is coming. Okay. Adapt filter. You can provide all the filter details. So our date means data and all are a little bit less. That is why the filter is coming like this. Otherwise, it will be coming more. Okay. Like that, and down you will be having the search this one UIBB. Okay, now let us again add and let us check like now whether it is working properly or not. So let's say element, we will put a section. Let us see whether it is working this time or not. Maybe otherwise I have to check like what is the problem, and then maybe I can come back to you. Then UIPP, we have list component over here. Okay, we have to provide the configuration name. Result Mara, I think already I have configured, right? So let me, so this would come, SUL result. Okay, so let us save. Let us come to configure. SULT result Mara, local object. Then PL MDG PS GUIBP result, right? What we have taken it over from this CL MDG PS GUIBP result. Okay, so we'll take CL MDG PS GUIBP result. Okay, our component is ZSP Z3. Our object name will be Smara. Let it be editable. Let's see. Okay. Now let us save this. Let us come here. Let us test. Let's see any problem with this or not. I think there is some problem with this result. This one, it generally does not give any dump and all, but this is the configuration we are doing. But why it is giving none? Okay, let me just check over here. So access using a zero object reference is not possible. The current ever program this one results had to be terminated because it is not found. Okay, what is the source code? Extract from here. Let me see. This is the source code extract. Collection size. Okay. Collection size basically comes from this one only. Okay, let us do one thing. Let us do the wearing first, and then let us see whether we are missing something or not. Okay, let's go here. Let's go this one. I think somewhere we are missing some point. That is why it is giving this error. Let us come here. Let us this page. Where schema. Add where. Okay. Okay. It is coming over here. Component. What would be the component? Let us see. FPM list UAV ATS, right?
So which this is the
Yes.
This is the list component.
Yes, this is the list component basically. Okay, so first let us take this one. Then connector class I have to provide CLFPM connector bool identity CL. ATS. Okay, now connector class CL underscore FPM underscore connector underscore bool underscore identity. Okay, then I have to provide the port type. Port type will be correction. Port identifier is standard. Okay, this has been done. Pool identity is showing wrong. Let me just check once. CLFPM connector pool identity. Let us take this one. Okay, now save this. Again, we have to provide the source component. Source component we have to provide. Okay, so what would be the source component? Source component would be the FPM search UIPP. Okay, let us come here. This one has come. Now let us test it and check. I have to check. Okay, this I am not sure of why this error is coming, because this should not be the case. The configuration we have maintained properly only. So
Okay.
I don't know what we are missing, because I think we are not missing anything. We have provided everything, but still I have to check, like whether in configuration side anything is missing, for that this error is coming. That I have to check.
Okay.
Let me see this one. Let me see this one and let me just check once. This has been saved. Let me check it once. No error found. Yeah, configuration was, it is fine. It is not coming. Okay. Okay, I have to check this, okay? Because I'm not sure of why this error is coming, because this should not be the case. This error should not come. In this system, if anything is missing, because nothing should be missed. It's provided properly only. This is coming. Data is provided. application person. Okay, I will check and I will let you know. Okay, what is the problem with this and whether we are missing anything or not. That also I will check.
Okay.
Uh,
We'll meet tomorrow then.
yeah, then tomorrow I will just see because I don't know whatever I'm missing. I think I am providing all the information correctly only. Seal MDG BS GUI result also I have used.
I just have another question, Krishna.
Hmm.
That BP is there, right? So that BP is for to create vendor master and customer
Customer
master,
master or business partner. Three things you can create over there.
or the business partner
Yes.
with the BP. Okay.
Yes. With the BP, we can do these three.
Okay.
Okay. Any other question?
No, no, Krishna.
No, Krishna from my side. Okay, but okay, please check. Okay, this one. Okay, tomorrow. So like, okay, as you can update.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. I will just check what is the problem with this because this is not the case. Uh, this server actually, can you just go on mute? Yeah, yeah. Actually, I think some sound is coming. Okay. So basically, what I'm saying, so earlier, whatever, this is the configuration only, and this works. This server, I'm doing it first time. I don't know from the some setting is missing or not. That I have to check. Okay. But based on my knowledge, I'm not missing anything. So this is the thing. Uh, because if I go to this one also, wedding also, I'm doing it.
So Krishna, if you guys are going to continue tomorrow, then I will drop then. Okay.
Yes, yes, sure, sure. Okay.
All right. Thank you, guys.
Yes, yes. Research standard correction.
Thank you, Krishna.
Thank you for attending the session. I hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to visit our Vimeo page and follow for more upcoming videos.